Electron, man, well, I've been hard at it. Cleaning and trying to wipe that screen up, got the dials straightened out. Some awesome things, I tell you. So far, so good. Not finding anything that's going to stop me from wanting to repair this. I tell you what, amazing thing is the tube. So those tubes are 80 years old, and they're testing 70-80%. I mean, I've had new tubes that weren't much better than that. Amazing. So anyway, needless to say, since the tubes have all tested out, and the 1 week one's at about 50, and definitely not a bad tube, not shorted out or anything, but if I could find one, I might replace it. But I got so excited because all the tubes are good in it that I went ahead and splurged and went over to my local electronics store and went ahead. I plan on this working, I hope, because as you can see here, I loaded up on capacitors. I needed to do a complete recap on this. I think the bill was about $20, a little over $20 to get all the caps I need. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and dig deep into this and start putting all the caps in it and see where we end up. Of course, I got all the front off here. I've definitely got some work to do on this warped molding we've got here. I think I can heat it and get it somewhat flat. I don't know how long it'll hold flat. It's kind of a shame. Boy, I wished I could. If I was real good at 3D or something, I'd try to reprint that in 3D or something. But we'll just do the best we can with the warpage. It didn't look that bad when it was on there, so I think we can, by straightening it out a little bit, get it look even better. But yeah, I mean, there you go. She's coming along. I'm gonna sit down this evening when it cools down a little bit out here more in the shop and get hard at it with the old soldering iron and replace all these caps and see what we got after that. Hopefully we get some lightage. Like I said, it didn't power up at all. I haven't found any reason why it wasn't powering up yet. Hopefully when I'm in there putting the caps in, I'll see if something came loose or something, or it could possibly be even a defective on-off switch. I know that switch feels a little sticky, so it could be just the on-off switch that's actually keeping it from powering up. But we'll go ahead and test all that and put the caps in, and then from there we'll see where we go from there. Hopefully I get some lightage and some power, and we can start aligning this guy and hopefully get her back up and running. I don't know if I'm going to do much to the outside case. I'm real tempted to sand it and re-shellac it, but I kind of want to leave it, you know, as it is too. But anyway, I'm getting way ahead of myself. I haven't even got it working yet, and I'm already talking about making the cabinet pretty. But anyway, I wanted to give you an update. You know, here we are, part 2. Got the caps in, tested all the tubes. They tested great. I am excited. I actually, I don't know if you've ever been up to those Goodwill auctions, but stuff kind of goes for high. Just a heads up, people, you know, just like eBay, tend to overbid. But I picked up a higher end tube tester. I mean, the little old one I've had it for like 15 years, and it's okay. But I've picked up a BK, and if you notice, a lot of my test equipment's BK. I have a lot of respect for BK. It's a little higher precision stuff, so I'm looking forward to that coming in. And when it comes in, I might do a little video on the tube tester and actually how you test a tube on it. But anyway, I'm rambling on now. Let me get it to cool down a little bit out here, and we're gonna get to desoldering and resoldering a bunch of caps tonight. Have a great one out there. If you get a chance, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you can, subscribe to the channel. That really would help out. Have a great day. This is Electron.